If you're a band, choir, or orchestra director, you probably have a list of students in an Excel file or Google spreadsheet that you use to track important information. Most people's student lists probably look a little something like this. You've got all your students sorted by class and by instrument, and a few spots to mark down health forms, t-shirt fees, etc. But that's it. There's no formulas, no automations. It's little more than a piece of paper. But automations are what spreadsheets are made for. So what if your student list could be better? What if it could do more and actually save you time? To illustrate this, think about how you collect health forms now. So first you have to alphabetize them. Then you go through the stack one by one, searching up and down your list of names for that one kid before marking yes, they turned it in, and going to the next one. It takes forever, and it doesn't have to. So with a smart list, you can let the software do all the heavy lifting. With the help of drop-down lists and a couple of formulas, you simply type in the student's name, and the formulas will mark your prime list as needed. And this works for so many other things too. With the right setup, you can automatically get a printable list to hang by the copier with your current number of students on a part, organized by class period or grade level. You could enter all your registration data at the beginning of the year and all the payments and have it filtered back to your prime list just like the health forms. You can use filters and query functions to get a list that's customized for every specific situation. Maybe you want to get a list of just the 8th graders so you can mark down who's going to high school. Maybe you want a list for the parade that you can print out and take on the bus. You could get a list of t-shirt orders that are grouped by class period and sorted by size ordered, making passing out shirts a whole lot easier. You can have pass-off charts that can be sent to a poster maker and hung up in the band hall. Again, all automatically developed thanks to the magic of spreadsheets. Automatic mailing labels that you can use for labeling instruments or folders or lockers. Seat assignment labels for students to fold over their music stand on the first day of school, or for use at all region band. What about getting a list of students formatted exactly the way you need it to display in a concert program? And you can even set up a way to import your class from your district's gradebook software, keeping your student list updated automatically as students move in or out, or as schedules change. The sky is really the limit here with what you can create, and it doesn't require a degree in computer science to figure out. So if you're interested in learning how to take your student list and your skills with spreadsheets to the next level, then stay tuned. I'll be releasing step-by-step tutorial videos that will walk you through how to build a student list just like this. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Ring the bell if you want to get notified as soon as the next video drops. But in the meantime, send me some comments. How do you manage your student list? What part of the organizational side of your job do you wish you could improve? And what solutions have worked for you? Share it with the community down below, and don't forget to visit me at ambanddirector.com, where I've got more technology tips and tricks to help us all become better directors. So until next time, keep teaching, keep learning, and keep the music going.